Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. So, firstly, you need to know that if you will use metal objects to clean your connector, you can damage your charging port, you can damage your water resistance, so I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have, and insert one part of the brush into the connector. Insert the one part and try to pry the dirt out. So that's it. It was easy. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.